Welcome to IT Handicap tutorial. My name is Kevin. In this video, I'm going to discuss how to use the EfCorePowerTools to generate EfCode to ClassLibrary. Okay, so over here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new project. All right. So I'm going to create a new project under domain name solution folder. And this one is the class library. And this is the name of the class library. Create. Okay, I don't need a class one. So what I need is to install a few package, but in fact, if you don't install, that is fine. The only thing you have to install is this one, and but based on this guy, this is the Donate official YouTube channel. Based on this guy, he suggests to install every single of these. So I am going to follow his instructions. So what I'm going to do is to use the package manager console, NuGet package manager console to install these three packages. EfCorePowerTools, yeah, over here. So install design, install tools, and install SQL Server. All right, and then I'm going to use the reverse engineer. That is, right click this one, EfCorePowerTools reverse engineer. Okay, because I have done this in previously, so I'm going to delete this connection string. So let me do that again. Add a database connection. So I need to give a server name. So I need to go to here, connect, copy this one, and paste to here. I want to use the SQL Server authentication, and this is my login. Okay, test2. Because I'm a developer, so this is just a developing machine. It's not a production machine. So I want to use all of the. I want to make sure my test2 can access online game, and also have all the roles. And I want to confirm I have all the server roles as well. And then I want to confirm my password is 1234, and press OK. Alright, so in this case, I'm going to here, and my username is tester2, password is 1234, save my password. So I'm going to connect to the online game database, test connection, press OK. So now I can choose EfCore6 or EfCore7. I want to choose EfCore6 and press OK. Okay, so I want to select everything. So it can connect to the tables. See, it can connect all the tables. It also can connect all the fields. Start with DBO. So it can connect all the fields. Start with TBO. And the next one, it also can connect to the store procedure. Start with the DBO. And this one is table value function. So it also can connect to the table value function, which is this one. Okay, so I press OK. So over here, I need to give a DB context name. The DB context name I want to use is the default value that is called online game context. Okay, and this is a namespace. Namespace is same as my project name, and this is my output path. All right, so I'm going to copy this. Okay, let me tell you something. All right, so this parameter, okay, this parameter means it will generate the EF model into this folder, just the same as the previous one. And the namespace of EF model will be this. will be like this. So this is a namespace of the EF model. And I'm going to generate the online game context. This is the DB context into this folder. And the namespace of DB context will be this. Or will be like this. So this is, what does that mean? Alright. And I want to use the pluralized and singularized generated object names. It's correct my English. And also here I want to install the package, but the truth is already installed. And also want to include my connection string. With the advance, I want to separate my configuration file into other folder, and I want to separate my schema into other folder. In this case, I only have one schema, that is DBO dot. So DBO is my schema. Alright. What about some database have like 2 or 3 schema? In this case, you should tick this one. Alright, so this is everything I tick. I press OK, press OK. It will start to generate the EF code. Okay. It takes a while. Alright, so it just generate the EF code. And this is all the configuration file. It's under here. Okay. Alright. The next thing I need to do is I need to move the connection string. The thing is, after I just closed the alt tab accidentally, but after I done that, it will automatically generate this and tell me, hey, this is my connection string, I should do this. Okay, so I'm going to install a new get package, which is this one. It's a Microsoft extension configuration.json. So now what do I have is this one. Okay, so I'm going to okay, I'm going to add a new file. It's called appconfig.json. I need to make sure that is copy always, and Ctrl+Shift+B to rebuild. Okay, now I'm going to set up my connection string. So this is my connection string. Alright, so I'm going to create a partial class. Okay, look at this. Where is the connection string? If you go to the online game, let me show you. Online game context. Here you are. Here is my connection string. Please notice that when you copy here to here, okay, so when you copy from this place, please try to use this format, server format, okay? And if you don't know where is the server format, you can try to use the scaffold DB context. And another thing is you need to ensure the encryption is false. Okay, so that means if you create the connection string by EfCorePowerTools, you have to ensure you have encryption false afterwards. Anyway, this is my connection string. Okay, so after I've done that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a partial class for this one. So I'm going to create a new partial class, which is this one, and I need to copy the namespace. I need to copy the partial class. Okay, I need to set out the connection string. Command this and copy to here. Alright, need to delete this. Okay. I can't remember the code, so I just copy from here. Okay, so basically, because I installed the configuration.json, so I can use the configuration builder. So I'm going to use the configuration builder. I'm going to add app config.json into my configuration builder and build. So now I have a configuration builder. So under the configuration builder, what I'm going to do is this. So I'm going to use configuration builder to get a connection string. So it will search app config.json. So here is my app config.json. And when I say, hey, get connection string, it will search connection string. And the name of the connection string is called online game connection string. So it will take this one and copy this value and paste to here. So that will pretty much like this. It's pretty much like this. This line is pretty much like this. Okay, this one they use the old version connection string, but in EF Core we prefer to use this one. So I'm going to delete this one. If you are not so sure about how can you get this new style connection string, you can try to use scaffold DB context. Okay, because in the scaffold DB context, they actually generate this string. See, they generate the server, localhost, blah blah blah. This is a new style of string. Okay, so you can copy from here. If you just like create another fake project and try to use this scaffold DB context to get a better connection string. If you want to do that, that is fine. Okay, I don't need this, because I already saved my connection string in the app config.json, so this will do, and I need to using. That's all. Okay, you can build successfully. That's pretty good. I also comment this connection string. Yep, that's everything. Alright, I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. Have a good day.